Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Snapchat lag on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. You will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on App Management. Scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. Here showing you Snapchat app, click on Snapchat app and click on storage usage. And if you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Snapchat app. After clear cache Snapchat app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reinstall app. So just click and hold on app on Snapchat app. After just click and hold on Snapchat app, click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. You will see your app is uninstalled. If you want to fix this problem, so click on Play Store app and click on search and search Snapchat app and install. After installing, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Snapchat lag on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.